Good morning, everyone. This is Vinod from Excel Snippet YouTube channel, and we are looking forward for Excel User Series 2.0 EUS. In today's comparison formulas, we are about to add, or we are going just a little backward. We are not anymore in Office 365 editions. We are going to go back to 2013 version. So where we are about to see how to work with ISO week number. I'm comparing this with the existing formula called week number. Both are going to give you the basic output or a similar output, but wherein when I work with an ISO week number, the week number going to start on a Monday, not like week number starts on a Sunday. But when I do a weekday functionality or a week number functionality, I have a multiple option in here, but here we don't have anything. So let's see how to do that. So here we go. So I have a worksheet for us, and I just built the logics of this point. So I just started giving you the logics here. So this is the difference between the ISO week number and the week number. You can see the results here, but I've given you a small idea what is this function is all about. I just explained you now, but again, those who want to read an artifact or you want to learn more about it, here we go. You have a comment for us, or you have our new option called notes in 2013 or 2016 version and above. I've given you your notes for the ISO number or ISO week number and a week number. So I have a complete year here. So let me just remove this because I don't want to keep a lot of dates here. So too much of data is not what we are looking forward for. So I'm just adding maybe a small formula here called just the previous cell plus 15, and let me just populate them for a list of numbers here. So now I have multiple weeks in here. So let me just make it even more better. Let's make 25 days so that I can see more months here. So I have complete years of data comes in here. So let me just add a few more dates below so that I can see cover the year or so. Now I wish to know these dates week number falls on where. So we all know that we have 52 weeks in a year. So I would like to know the week number of each and every date that is given in here. So I'm going to say equals ISO number, week number, and then you can see I have only one syntax here called date. So I'm going to just select the date and give an enter, then it's going to populate my week number in here. So it brings you each and every week. And if I go for a week number, it's a normal formula which you have already much before 2013 version. Here when I go down to this point, I have two different syntax. The second one is still optional for us. We don't want to use that, but if you wish to use it, you can use it. So when I go down to my week number start date, again when I give a comma, it gives you a drop down here. You can pick up any day as your start of the day week. In an ISO week number, the start date always starts on a Monday. But in a normal list here, if you see, I have a different logic. I can pick up whatever date. If I leave it as it is, it's going to pick up a Sunday. So let me pick up the first day as Sunday. I'm going to just give one here, or I can leave it as it blank. So that works for you. So when I scroll down this, so you can see that my week number shows it is on the 5th week because this day falls probably on a Sunday. According to my ISO, that's the 7th day of the week, 4th week rather. And here it says it's the 5th week's first day. So let me just see what is the date here. I'm going to use the text functionality, select the date and hit 4Ds to know my day. So there will be a subtle variation in some places. You can see that the variances are there here. And you can see there is a variances in my data in here. So wherever I do see a Sunday here, those data will have the variances here. So for example, if I make this as 4/10/2020, you can see that this is varying. And if I wish to convert this into 21/12/2020, sorry, 2012 rather, so I can see that the variances are there. So that's the difference between the ISO week number and week number. Hope you enjoyed a new video, and keep learning, keep updating. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet, your YouTube channel, and your video number Ford is ready for you to learn.